घोड़े एंड अर्थ इज फ्लैट, जो कुरान में आपके लिखा है बकायदा, उसका मजाक बनाना शुरू कर दूं?
BJP's Nupur Sharma, who has been in the eye of the storm ever since she purportedly made controversial comments about profit during a TV debate.
So do you think like only Nupur Sharma blamed or even the media also, because media was the time which gave a platform for them?
Obviously, the anchor who anchored the show has got scot-free, and even she should be held responsible.
After days of riots post the controversial comments on Prophet Muhammad by Nupur Sharma, suspended BJP functionary, the Maharashtra police has charged her along with Navika Kumar, a news channel's anchor. It is yet to be seen if these people will face trial or manage to get away. The role of a journalist is to report the reality of the world and bring about change in the society.